Welcome to AamirzTwoCents. In this video, we are going to talk about what is SEVIS, how much you pay for the SEVIS, and which website you use for SEVIS, and for how long the SEVIS is valid. So, what is SEVIS? The Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, that's called SEVIS, is a web-based system that the U.S. Department Homeland Security (DHS) uses to maintain information regarding. Okay, so first of all the schools has to be certified with the SEVIS information so they can issue the I-20s. Okay, then you have F1 and M1 students studying in the United States and their dependents on F2 or M2. The U.S. Department of State designated exchange visitor program sponsors that has to go through the SEVIS as well. J1 visas and their dependent on the J2 visas. So anybody who is a common student in these three categories, they have to have registered, and also the schools are certified by this system before they can issue the I-20. Okay, now once you get your I-20 from a school, you have applied, let's say for F1. Now you got your I-20, and then you have to fill this information. You can be in any country, you have to go through this process. So where you're going to go, you're going to go to this website. Is called the fmjfee.com, and the form is called the I-901 fee index.html. So if you go there, that's where you're going to see right here. And now let's click on pay I-901 fee. And there is a different fee for I-20, and there could be different fee for DS 2019. So what fee? I was taking a look on the F1 especially. I was looking the fee, and that is around $350. I'm talking about in October 2019. So if you have your I-20, then a SEVIS ID should be there, and if you have DS 2019, if you got your J1 visa, you will have the number right here. So you have to provide that number. Once you provide that number, so it'll be, I don't know, it's just a random number. I don't have that number with me, so I have to provide the correct number. And I'm gonna say test, and you are gonna say test 1 or whatever, and then you say 01, just 01 and 1980. So it's going to throw me error because I don't have correct information. So if you have correct information, it's going to take you to the next step. So you're going to once you have to have I-20, or you have to have a DS 2019 to proceed and work on your SEVIS registration. So you provide that information right there, provide your last name, given name, date of birth, and you submit, and then it will ask you pay the fee. So if you are on F1, it's around $350, and that you will pay. You can print out this information, and now you're all good to go and work on your DS 160 and get the appointment for your non-immigrant student visa and go to embassy and go for the appear in the interview. So I hope one more thing I would like to tell you, you have only 1 year. So if you will register for a SEVIS with the I-90 form, and it's only valid for 1 year. So that's one thing to remember. And I wish you guys all the best if you're coming on student visa or J1 visa, and good luck. See you guys in the next video.